Hey guys. Hey. Hey Scarf. Hey Cax.
Hey everybody.
Hey G4. Hey Personic. Hey Rukia. Can you guys all hear David and I talking? Just wanted to check because this is our first time kind of doing the uh like chat and then stream. Okay. Rukia said yes. Looks like we're good.
I don't know if you can hear me, Kathy. You're muted for me, so I'm just gonna rejoin the call.
Okay. Hello?
Hello? I think okay, try talking again. Sorry.
Hello? Can you hear me?
No, sorry guys. Gonna have to
Okay.
just
I can mute my yeah, we're gonna fix this. I will mute for a bit and then be right back. I think it should be working right now.
okay.
Um, let's see.
Okay, great.
Cax said your voice is a bit low, so I'll try to adjust that.
Oh, sorry. Okay. I think there's still some people connecting. Who do we have so far? Scarvian. I only see Scarvian join the world. I guess he said he already completed the quest. I mean, it's not a hard quest, right? It's just talking to an NPC, but
Okay.
yeah, I think the one territory that's like right next to the town, Scarvian, um, yeah, Anatolikosh. It's like 10 people. Everyone was building their houses there because it's so close to the town. I'm surprised nobody built in the blue area though.
How's that now? Do you guys still think David's voice is a bit low, or it's okay?
Okay. Cax is loading in. Seems like it's really slow for him. Nobody likes the swamp, Scarvian says. Yeah. Well, I mean, some prime real estate there now, right? Nobody, it's uncontested. Try to increase. Is the volume still low?
Hmm.
Kinda.
I think I've turned up the desktop audio to max already, and then also in volume mixer. Um.
Okay, let me check my settings too.
Okay.
Actually, I don't even see where do I adjust my microphone's volume. I think I've seen it before. It's in sound settings somewhere. Volume mixer. Um, Oh, I found it. Okay, I increased it to 100 now. So you can let me know if that's better.
From OBS, it looks like it's better, but we'll see.
Okay.
Hey, chat, what do you think? It's fine? Okay.
G4 says his internet's making him angry. Yeah. It seems somehow Scarby and you have the best internet, it seems like, at least tonight. Okay, you can hear me now? That's good.
Ah, okay. Testing, testing. How about now? Are we both okay now? Tex, are you serious or are you just trolling me?
Yeah, now you can't trust them after earlier today. We were excited. It's like, oh, a referral. And then like, yeah, it's like, no, it's just Scarvian. That's perfect. Okay, great. Should we maybe, do you want to pull open the map then? We can kind of start to talk about it.
Okay.
So I guess this is like the main feature. So we split Red Key into 5 different territories. Essentially, it's pretty simple. If you build in the territory and you're the only person, it's either you build there. You can also, like, your guild members can build there too. As long as nobody else from outside your guild or like an independent player builds in that territory, then it counts as one of your territories and it becomes claimed. Uh, I don't know. We'll probably get it tonight as long as somebody puts down a territory in the blue territory. What did we call that one? These are all like Greek names. So Ditikosh, Ditikosh. I'm sure there's a Greek person that's like upset with my pronunciation if they ever hear this. But the blue territory, yeah, it'll say if you're in a guild, it'll say ruled by the guild name. If you are just an individual, it'll say ruled by your player's name. And then you will become, if you're the guild leader, you will become a count. You rule like a county basically. And if you are not in a guild or you're not a guild leader, then you become a baron. So that's kind of how the titles work. And then in order to get more titles, your guild has to have multiple territories claimed. So you would have to have, the guild leader possibly. Well, actually, it's not even necessarily true. You could have a guild where the guild leader doesn't have any territory, but they have 2 people under them, and each one of those people built in a different territory. Then they would be barons, but you would be a duke actually, because you're a guild leader, and your guild's territory consists of 2. So hopefully that makes sense. Yeah, you're welcome, Scarvian, for the stealth cooldown. That definitely needed to be changed. Uh, Criteria. So Rukia says, what is the criteria for becoming an emperor? Your guild needs to control 4 territories in total. So 4 out of the 5.
And you can control 5, right?
Yeah, you can control all of them. It just doesn't increase like the max title you can have is emperor. So that's 4.
And I think Tex earlier was asking about how to clear the cache. I think in a browser, you can come over here. And then, yeah, there's a delete browser data.
Hey Xavier, I'm not sure if you're watching the stream. Oh, I guess the chat is now global, so regardless of where you are, like everybody can hear you.
And the map is toggleable, so you can turn it off and turn it on. And we'd also added these small indicators.
I guess the other thing that's not really noticeable, we will be adding like an option to zoom in eventually, but if you look very closely, you will actually see like the your player indicator and the monster indicator on the map. So I don't think you can really see it on the stream. Um, the pixel is just kind of blended in. But on my screen in the game, I can see like this small green dot in the water, and then also some of the red dots. Okay, should we go over some of the other new stuff too?
Yeah, sounds good.
So we got player trading now, so I can initiate a trade with you. Do I have anything in my inventory? Yeah. So it's, I guess, just kind of what you'd expect. You can just, you know, drag things in. You can trade gold. And then once you have everything that you want to trade, then you have to press lock.
16. Uh-oh.
Oh, we didn't really limit that, huh? It just does the whole stack. Okay, we'll add these things. That's a good one to know.
Okay, I'll give you a worst fighter eye too. For good luck.
I gave you some gold. I mean, that's not. Uh, I think your trade's a lot better than mine, but okay. So I got the items in my inventory. I can trade this back because you'll actually probably need this. The alchemical dust. You can't like do anything while you're trading either. Scarvian, you're trying to destroy houses already. Yeah, you
Thank
guys
you.
can go crazy. You know, there's a lot of houses near the town and stuff like that. So, okay, so territories, titles. I talked about titles.
Yeah.
Um, trading. Oh, the quest indicators. Do you have? Did you take a quest? Probably not the fisherman quest, but if you want to try to take a quest in town, we can show that off too.
Probably have to take a new one, yeah.
I think houses have 1,000 hit points. Uh, Caxass, can mobs destroy houses now as well? Not yet. Probably we'll add that in because it makes sense.
I think I have another quest here. Yeah. I can.
Yeah. Well, I think some of the classes can do more damage now. I didn't buff daggers yet. I will buff daggers. There's kind of like just a issue with dual wielding I have to fix first. Were you able to take the quest? Oh yeah, I can see it.
Yeah. I took the dragon slayer, and then now it has the little dot.
Yeah. So basically, how it works is when you take one of these quests, um, if you're not familiar, this is mainly to help new players because we often see people asking where can I kill this monster. So now it's just you just follow the indicator and it'll just bring you to the monster.
Should we go kill her or just go on to like another one?
Um, we can probably go to the next change. Oh, I want to talk about the memory settings too because this might help you guys out as well.
Okay. Yeah, Juffer just said my internet is not even allowing me to watch live stream.
Yeah. Well, I mean, this might be pretty irrelevant then, especially like yeah, if your connection is not too strong. So we added some new options. I would say definitely prop details. You can just put this to 0, and then all of the props will just be unloaded. So this is less things you need to load in basically, and it should be happening dynamically. Um,
Looks like it lags the game for a little bit, but I'll just have to wait.
yeah, it might be unloading.
Now it's better.
Okay. And then the other big one is streaming speed. You'll want to put that low as well. That's how many things get destroyed, or not get destroyed, how many things are loaded in at the same time. So I think this happened with Scarvian. I noticed like he would say, oh, my ping is like 4,000 when he gets back to town. I think that's because literally every model in the game is being loaded in at the same time. So you can just adjust this. If you get some lag, you can lower it. You kind of want it as high as you can manage because it just means things will load in faster. Um, Otherwise, NPC distance and world distance, pretty self-explanatory. It's up to you at what range you want these things. Um, Obviously, if they're lower, then there's more loading that has to happen. So it's either do you want it to load up front and then maybe load less, or you can just yeah, put them low, put them both low. Okay. So next.
Xavier said, I see that there are new quests. Now truly grateful.
Yeah.
Thanks.
You're welcome, Xavier.
Scarvian said cool animation for destroyed houses.
Oh, we missed the house getting destroyed. Oh, let's we can destroy your live cam's house, huh?
Okay.
And show that off. So if everyone wants to help, I do see a floating alchemist here now. I'm not sure if that was there before or not, but
It was, yeah.
okay.
But it just kind of started floating one day all of a sudden. Not sure why.
Okay. Yeah, we're probably gonna change like how that works with the NPCs and stuff. Instead of just like you can place them down anywhere, probably like you have to put down like an alchemy table, and then the alchemist gets like slotted into the table, something like that.
And Cax in the chat said it'll take me a while for me to reach town. Wait for me just a bit.
Okay, well, we're just gonna be destroying, I think, this house here, right?
Yeah, it has so much health. Probably gotta take
Yeah.
some time.
Oh, you can't come G4? Yeah, I mean, I'm sorry about that. Maybe if you're just patient, though, you might be able to get in. Oh, another important thing. At the end of this hour, so right now, I actually didn't get a chance to test this, so I hope it's working. If it's not, sorry, I'll fix it. But the mine is the worker. You can actually kill the worker right now, but at the end of this hour, it'll be invulnerable. So whoever puts their worker down, they'll have control of the mine for at least a day. And during that time, it's like triple the amount of gold as well. So it's about 4,000 gold you'll get from controlling the mine. So Scarvian said, by Eris, I messed up badly. What would you do? Here we go. We can see the destroyed house.
I guess if we didn't kill Alchemist first, I wonder what happens to him.
We can still kill him. Oh, he did. He died in one hit.
We also have another house you can break. It's Healy's house.
Healy's? Okay.
Yeah.
Where's that?
I think it's very nearby.
Do you have two? I just clicked on something and said your shed.
Really?
Yeah, I don't see it though.
It's okay.
Oh, Healy's cottage is here.
Yeah. Looks like
What's it
Zedder
lacking
has
again?
joined the world.
Hey, Zader. But we want you guys to have these titles, not us, right? So
Yeah.
these are just kind of testing stuff.
Scorpion say, yo, what did this live cam person do to you people? Oh. I just realized. Sorry about that. I'm a bit slow.
I guess next we can check out the new area you made.
Okay. Yeah, sounds good. And we'll probably run past by places that I just kind of flattened out. I didn't really flatten out like in a sense I just make everything super flat because I think that's pretty boring. So I basically just kind of like on the hillside there's like areas of like that's flat and I think it'll just look really good and people build cottages there and then defend it. It's like a true blue castle type of idea.
Yeah, I mean, right now anybody can just attack any building basically. So your only protection is just kind of asking people not to destroy your house and then hoping that they listen to you, basically. But in the future, we will have like building protection and stuff like that.
Guardian said that they defrosted the swamp. I don't think we
Deforested.
deforested. I don't think we made that change though. Uh,
Well, it's yeah, you just got rid of the hills, right? Maybe somehow it looks different. I don't know.
oh, okay. Maybe we can go check it out at some point, but we can kind of move on to. You wanted to check out the new areas?
Yeah, yeah. Let's go to the new ruined castle. G4 says, David, if I become first emperor, I know title will disappear if I lose territory, but I want to know what's first. Do you have plans for rankings? Um, I don't know. Uh, maybe we could do something. We haven't kind of like decided yet. Like we could maybe do like you get a badge on the forum or something for like the titles that you achieve, and you can maybe like bring that with you. We could what we're actually gonna do. We're probably gonna sync the title to the forum for sure. And we'll see like if we do the badges or not. But we wanted to have like actual like gameplay advantages. Um, so like I guess as we complete more stuff, it'll probably become more clear, like your advantages for having a city. Right now, it's just kind of a cosmetic thing. Oh, I think I accidentally put in the message that.
the
Yeah, I'm gonna have to
kill
change that.
message.
Yeah. Okay. Well, there might be like a lot of kill spam from people defeating a monster. I didn't realize that was in there. I actually meant to remove that completely. Okay, so is the stream caught up yet? We're at the ruined castle now. I don't know, Kathy, you want to introduce it?
Uh, so basically, like the thing is just that I knew before it was just a lot of hills and it was very difficult. So I'm terrible at doing this, don't I?
Okay.
So yeah, this is just like the whole new ruined castle area. Has our new monsters is Petrinos. They're basically petrified knights. And yeah, I think in the future we kind of tease it a bit in David's post that there will be a boss here. So
Yeah. Scarvian just said he's the first Baron. He put down the house.
Oh, congrats.
Should we go back to town then and check it out?
Okay.
Scarvian, you could become the first count if you start a guild.
Oh yeah, that's true.
We removed the skeletons from the castle now too. I guess they didn't really fit with the new theme.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess like okay, I'll try this. So like the idea of like this place is kind of taken from the Grimm's Tale story where there was a ruined castle with they only appear at dawn, and it has a old fairy that they will basically just turn any they will turn any princesses into birds and then keep them, and then turn any knights that come rescue them into stones. So that's kind of like the idea. Okay, David.
Yeah. Oh, Cax is saying he's stuck at like 70-80%. Yeah, that can happen for sure. Oh, you're in the game. Okay, cool. You might still have a chance to beat Scarvian as the first count. He still has to make a guild, I think. Yeah, they're petrified, Scarvian. G4 is calling you out too. He says you're supposed to be neutral. Okay, Keck says you guys are mercs. Oh, okay. Well, I guess you could, if you don't want to get in a guild, you can still be a baron though. You still get that title even if you're not in a guild. You just need to have a territory claimed. And now you can only have one. Actually, you can have like one type of every building. So one cottage, one shed, and one worker. Okay, I'm here. I see Baron Scarvian. So congrats on being the first Baron. And I think you just crashed.
Was it near the swamp?
Yeah, if you can pull open the map now. You can see it shows that he's ruling Ditikosh. Yep. So if you guys want to, I mean, you can contest the territory now. You can build in that territory, and then Scarvian will lose the title, or you can try to destroy the buildings in another territory and place your own down. Okay. I'm just gonna reading now through the changes, making sure we covered everything. So we covered the territories, the titles, just covered the new ruined castle area. Window of opportunity. I mean, I guess we'll move over there. You made the guild. The title didn't update. I don't think you successfully made the guild, Scarvian, because I don't see it. Doesn't show you being in a guild. We covered player trading, the quest indicators, the memory settings. I guess I can just quickly kind of go through some of these changes too. So, yeah, buildings and NPCs can be killed now. The worker was increased to level 10, so it should have more hit points. Kathy flattened a lot of areas around the map, so it should be easier to build. The local chat's global. Oh, now in a guild you can promote people. So basically, there's a new sort of mini hierarchy in the guild. So you have the guild leader, which is capable of all the guild actions. Um, and when you invite somebody in, they become a petitioner, I think, or an initiate. And initiates cannot. Oh, Scarvian is now the first count, so he has abandoned his neutrality, and he has become a guild leader. So high ideals, but we have the first count of the guild test. So I think now on the map, it should say what? It still says ruled by Scarvian. So I guess
Yeah.
it hasn't updated yet. Um, oh right, I don't have an update. So if you make the guild, so what it should say, because you're a guild leader now, it should say that you are it's ruled by test because it's the guild's name. But I think I forgot to update it if somebody creates a guild after claiming a territory. Maybe it should work if you relog. I'm not sure. Okay, so Scarvian says he's going to disband already.
So now, like, if you disband, you go to the banker, right?
Yeah, yeah. You talk to the banker, disband, and that will get rid of your guild. So new stuff. We added the NPC at the dock. And that's what we showed off at the start. It's just like some tutorial quests. People ask about like where's the trainer. So one of the quests is to find the trainer. Um, yeah, just pretty simple new quests. Oh, we improved the. Sorry, Kathy improved the crafting UI. Do you want to show that off too?
Okay. Gotta find an alchemist. So right now, still anybody's alchemist is okay?
I think so. Yeah.
Okay. There's a floating one right here.
Okay.
Um, floppies. So yeah, I made it to only two, so it's not that confusing. And it just said bring me the powders. So just put it in and then just put another one. And then when there is recipe for it, then it displays the dice. If not, it will just be yeah, if not, it will just be like a cross like you saw earlier. So and it has the progress bar working. And yeah, hopefully that's much less confusing.
And there's some new buttons too, right? On the right hand side, you can now go back to the lobby. It actually spits out some errors when you do that, but it does work. So it wasn't completely polished, unfortunately, but it is there. So you don't have to refresh now if you want to change your character. And then there's a link to go to the forum, I guess, too.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, did you want to show? We added some stuff to the character information, and a lot of stuff works now as well. I think when you put points into your weapons focus attribute, so for daggers that would be agility, for swords that would be strength, it will increase your damage and your offense too. Although offense doesn't seem to be working, but I did check it earlier. It does increase damage. Um, yeah, and
Yeah.
other things. I think the when you put points into endurance, it should increase your health. Uh,
Yeah, and the buffs are working too for the healer. You
yeah, you can
can
give some buffs.
yeah. So you guys can check. Uh I think I have vigor that should increase your health. It's probably the most obvious one. Let's see.
He wants agility bonus.
Agility. Okay.
It's actually quite a bit because I think it comes out to be about like 40% more damage because it's 40 agility.
Looks like it's working.
Yeah.
um,
I guess I can comment on balance changes a little bit. So stealth now lasts for like a minute and a half, and then cooldown is 5 minutes. Mage bolt, the root was changed for cooldown for 60 seconds from 5. Basically, all the range weapons, their damage was decreased. Although you might be doing more damage now because uh, the statistic calculations are working, so that will increase your damage. But monsters will do more damage too. And then things cost more. So alchemist contract is 500, a cottage is now 1,000, and a shed is 250. Okay, should we maybe go to the mine now?
okay. You said it will be vulnerable in 20 minutes?
Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of inflation Scarvian because they're more useful now.
I guess I can prepare maybe like a worker contract just in case like nobody has the mine.
Yeah, you can take the money.
Just no, just to test it. Like when
Okay.
it became vulnerable, I should be able to kill my worker, right?
It's vulnerable now. Yeah, it's just in 19 minutes the mine will be over. So
Okay. Okay.
okay, I think Xavier was at. Did you put like a question mark somewhere on the map? I think he went there. Uh,
Like
yeah, there's the
this.
temple.
Yeah. There's just two of them. It's unrevealed. It's a mystery right now.
Rukia says my F key is not working. Um, for what are you trying to loot something? I think I may have changed it so it doesn't like automatically interact. I kind of forget. I think I did something with it though.
To fix like the typing and start doing things like bug.
Yeah, and also I don't know. I thought maybe like the experience of like your character just running to the NPC was strange. I'm not sure. I forget what I did exactly. Oh, we're kind of going the long way, huh?
I was just kind of following you.
Yeah, I'll try to cut across. So it looks like we got 6 people online right now. And somebody else who's in the lobby. So it seems to be running okay.
Yeah, with this map right now, the I think the tooltip is not working perfectly yet. So sometimes you can just move your mouse out and then come back to see like the correct information. Well, I
Yeah, hopefully
guess
this is enough of a challenge for you guys because um, You basically need what, like 4 people total, so you and 3 other people, in order to get the highest title. Of course, this is probably going to be the easiest time to get it, right? Because as we get more players, we have to make it more difficult.
Since I'm going through the water, you can test the mini map seem to be working. Before it was Minotaur, I think, that will start walking on the seabed, and the mini map marker will be gone.
Yeah, I can see minimap markers working now.
Mm.
I guess the major things that I didn't get a chance to put in is the targeting bug. I think I understand what's going on now, so should be able to fix that hopefully next week, and then I'll just release like a patch. Also, I will probably do something about the like items, like the how much you can sell them for, because I would prefer people to get gold by like fighting for the mine. I think that's more interesting than farming. Like you can still farm, but we're probably going to reduce for equipment. Maybe it only sells for like 10% of its value or something like that. Because right now it's much more profitable to just kill like the cultists and just sell their loot than it is to take the mine. Hey, what happened to the
Yeah.
gold thing that here?
So now it's supposed to be vulnerable.
No, it still should be invulnerable.
Does that mean I cannot put down my worker then?
You can try. Did anybody kill the worker? I don't see it.
Oh. I feel like it could potentially snap to something, but doesn't seem like it's working. Doesn't seem like it's working.
Okay. Then we'll have to fix it later. That's strange.
Oh,
you got it down. So, just the ore disappeared for some reason?
yeah. I wonder if it has something to do with like the addressable.
Yeah, probably.
So the trees too.
Oh, the trees are gone?
Scarvian was saying like this in the swamps, the trees are gone.
Oh, is it the prop details? You put that to 0? I just turned mine on, but I still don't see it. Okay, well we can fix that. That's not a big deal. For new players, maybe they'll have trouble, but we'll fix it soon.
Cac is taking his opportunity. So I guess right now, you guys can try. Yeah, you can try that.
Yep.
Okay.
It takes a bit longer to kill him too. He's level 10. Yeah, Scarvian. I don't think it's the prop distance. I think something just got lost somehow. I don't know. You can look into it.
GeForce said, I think my internet will allow me to come at 11 p.m. or 12 a.m. Aren't you just revealing like when you're gonna be destroying people's houses then? Watch out, you're telling people to come kill you.
It's Nobody's taking the mine. I think we're gonna have to probably make it like obvious on the map or something that like the mine like when it's open and stuff. Otherwise, I don't think people will
Oh yeah,
know how it works.
yeah, that's a good idea. So I guess like how long did you say you open for? Until
Yeah, it's just 1 hour, so
Hmm.
it'll be closed in like 11 minutes.
Okay.
And then, I mean, technically, after that point, anyone can just put down a worker, and then they will get, then it'll be invulnerable. So it's just
Yeah.
during this time it's vulnerable, only during this time, or it should
Yeah.
be anyway.
So you guys, now is your chance. Also can help us test because we haven't really tested yet, right?
Yeah, yeah. If anyone wants to put a worker down at the end, and then we can see if we can attack it or not, it'd be good.
Yeah.
Cax asks formula different for houses and players, like the damage formula. No, it's the same.
We got a new guy join the chat. Roshan Emirate? Said, yo,
Welcome.
Caxas are attacks supposed to miss houses?
Yeah, it's just the mischance. So
Rouge said, just call me Gamer Boy. Do you have you joined our game yet? Do you have a, what is your in-game name?
and Cax asks if the mischance is the same for attacking players and houses. Yes, it's the same. Does anybody have a worker here, or is the just not gonna? Nobody's taking the mine.
Right.
Gamer studies making his character now.
Hope you enjoy it. Or I can quickly go back and then just trade you guys the worker. Help us test it.
It's okay. I mean, it's okay. We'll find if it's not working. We'll find out eventually.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know how you guys are going to keep. I mean, I assume it'll settle down. I uh I expect now that you can destroy each other's houses that you probably will, but at some point you're gonna stop, right? Or I expect that. I don't know. Maybe. Gamer asks, "What's the bird race?" It's the Hirax.
I guess maybe like the new players will be more interested in taking the mice, make money quicker. You changed like the rate, right?
Yeah,
If you mentioned
yeah.
that.
It's now before it was like 1 gold a minute. Now it's 3, so it's about 4,000 per day. And now cottages cost 1,000.
Yeah. And the I think the shed also costs more now.
Yeah, everything costs more now too. Gamer asks, "What does it do?" Um, well, it just has different stats. You can read the tooltip description. Okay. Well, I don't. Doesn't look like anyone's taking the mine. should we head back then, or is anyone here gonna take it?
Oh, uh, yeah. If you guys are not taking it, I think we can try to run back, and then I want you to check out the swamp area and
Okay,
see what's
sure.
going on with the props.
I'll follow you.
Okay. Yeah, so I basically just do something like this. It's like someone can just build a house here. And then some areas over there. Here.
It's more flat here too, huh?
Yeah. Gamer boy said ask text. So when you hover over the button, there should be like a tooltip pop up. And then it'll tell you like what the race and all the classes, like what they do. And even for trades too.
Oh, I guess the other thing, I don't think I mentioned this, but the memory issues I think should be more or less resolved, hopefully. There's like a bug basically where if it was going over 2 gigabytes, it was crashing. And I think I fixed that. So now we can go all the way up to 4 gigabytes. So it's like double the amount that we could previously use before. So it should allow us to put down like a lot more stuff if we want to. And yeah, hopefully not crash anymore too.
It looks like the swamp trees are here. That's
Oh,
good.
gamer, that's your character's name. Did I actually noticed that, Kathy? I think you put the new input boxes,
Oh,
but it doesn't say what they're like before the placeholder text said like name and surname. I think
okay.
forgot to mention that.
I'll fix that.
So this
Okay.
is the swamp, right?
Yeah, so it might be that Scarf was just having the props 0 then, so you won't see the trees. Maybe.
Um, I don't know. I didn't actually get to this zone, so I think these are all just set at like the NPC range.
Mm.
So wasn't it before? It was like darker though. You changed like the shadows or something.
Yeah. Yeah, because I think before the shadows were too dark that when you're in the forest you cannot really see anything. So oh no. Let's see if these trees these trees right here too. Okay. So it looks good. It's just the mines the stone was missing somehow.
Yeah. The Arachnids forest area. Yeah, Scarvian, I think it's probably just like the change of terrain and also like the change of shadows that's creating that illusion. I don't think we actually like added or removed any trees, right?
No, yeah.
Maybe you changed the tree model from
No. No. I changed like the trees like inside the town and the just the ruined castle area, and that's it. Other trees stays the same.
Okay, so I think we covered everything. If you guys have any questions, we can answer them now. I think we're probably going to wrap up soon, though, right?
Yep. Gamer Boys ask what now? So like, you put in your name and last name is optional, and choose all your classes and traits and everything. Put in your attribute points, and then you can create a character and then just join the world.
It's also pretty funny we make a guild or a game around like guilds and stuff, and everyone just decides like not to be in a guild. Yeah, we're the developers, gamer.
Yeah, if you need like more help, so like you can come to our forum, or we'll like try to be in the game too to help out newcomers.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I think that's it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys. Well, thanks for coming and checking out the update. Keck says, "Are there hidden stuff in the castle now?" Not yet. That might be something we do. Next update, though. Okay. Well, have a good night, guys, and have fun.
Yeah, have fun. Bye bye.